Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I am excited because today we are reviewing Beauty Big Bang's new collection of dipping powders and their liquids. They have 15 beautiful different colors in jars of 10 ml each, and they're currently priced for around $2, which is a great deal. And I like the tall narrow jars, which are they're really great for just doing your nails at home. Then they also have the liquids in 12 ml glass bottles, guys, for under $4. I was very excited to see that they have those. They sell them individually, which is great from when you run out, or if you have maybe one other brand that you need to replace. Sometimes they do dry out or they get ruined. Now I'm going to start out showing you the swatches, and I'll tell you the names for each color, and then I will move on to a fun design that I'm attempting for the very first time after seeing one of Nancy Tran's video. I will have her channel linked below. Okay, so this beautiful holographic silver is called Shining Galaxy. Number 2, a gold, is called Camellia Gold. Beautiful holographic in there as well. Number 3, the blue one, is called a Sea Blue. Almost looks like a turquoise blue. Number 4 is called a Charm Blue. But it looks to me more like a purple. Number 5, it says it's called a Dream Pink. And number 6, it's a wine red. So the first 6 in the collection are all glitters. The first 5 are holographics. The red, it just has the red glitters. Then the next one, number 7, called Natural White. It's actually a clear, guys. Number 8 is a French white, and that's your true white. And then you have it's called Naked Pink for number 9, which is what you will pair with the French white and clear for a French manicure. Number 10 is called a Rose Red. That's the one that I use on my daughter. Then we have a very pretty light purple, number 11, which looks more like a lilac, and then mint, number 12. Very pretty. And then the baby blue is called Sky Blue, number 13. And then number 14, the black, is the other one that I use on my daughter. It's called Ink Black. And then number 15, it's called a Peach Pink, and it's a very soft pink. It really is a true pink, very pretty. Okay, now for the application, I start out with the base liquid. And these worked really absolutely beautiful, guys. I really liked how well these liquids performed. So this is my second time using them. The first time was when I used them on my daughter. Now, my application, these nails are gonna pop right off of me because I made myself a base with gel. Even though it looks matted, that's because I use a matte gel top coat so that this base will actually adhere to, and we will mimic the application of these dip powders, but it's not going to be a permanent application for myself. Here's this gorgeous red. Beautiful. So here I'm going to start with the design that I'm attempting this for the very first time, guys. And I learned this from Nancy Tran. I'm going to have her channel down in the description bar below. And I realized what mistake I made. You see me contaminating my pots. I didn't even know that I will need to brush it off, but at least tap off the excess between colors. Yes, I should have done that. I honestly cannot see how you can 100% fully proof not contaminate any powders, but I could have done way better than I did this first time. I was just so excited, but I couldn't wait to see if it was going to work and how it was going to turn out, that I just went from one powder to the other. Like when I was watching her video, because of course she's fast forwarding, but you'll see what happens. Nonetheless, I was very happy how it turned out. Not the first time. You saw, I made some mistakes here, and the first time, too much contamination the first time, and I don't know why they came out so lumpy. But if you have any questions about these, leave them below. After the dipping to create this design, I went over everything with a clear the clear powder, but then the process is just, you know, it's the same. So that's when I did the clear. Here I'm applying the base, the liquid base, and dipping on clear. So because I had so much contamination on the bluest where it was more obvious because the blue went through the white, right? I popped these out and did them again, guys. I just didn't show this process the second time around. I didn't show them on camera, but they turned out much better. This is where I'm doing the buffing. So for final cleanup, nice shaping, and make them nice and smooth. And after removing the dust, I apply some more applicator or activator so I can finish with the top coat. Just so that you see how it was that these really turned out. Love that purple, that beautiful blue. And the red, absolutely stunning. It's like a ruby red. This is the second coat of my top coat. See how much contaminated? It's really the red and blue on my tip. And there, I popped them out. And this is the second, this was the second time around. Much better, guys. So what do you guys think of this technique? Are you gonna give it a try? I sure do love how these turned out, really, the second time around. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below, and remember to use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful powders to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.